Thukral Electric E-Rickshaw has taken the electric vehicle market by storm in 2026, offering a perfect blend of affordability, efficiency, and sustainability. With rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns, this e-rickshaw has emerged as a game-changer for urban and rural commuters alike. The latest model boasts a sleek design, improved battery life, and enhanced load capacity, making it a top choice for drivers and passengers. Its eco-friendly features align perfectly with global efforts to reduce carbon emissions, positioning Thukral as a leader in the green mobility revolution. One of the most exciting updates in 2026 is the introduction of Thukral's advanced lithium-ion battery technology. This upgrade ensures a longer lifespan, faster charging, and increased range per charge up to 120 km on a single charge. Drivers no longer need to worry about frequent stops at charging stations, making it ideal for long shifts. The battery is also designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring consistent performance in both summer heat and winter cold. This innovation has significantly boosted the e-rickshaw's reliability and customer satisfaction. Thukral Electric E-Rickshaw has also integrated smart features in its 2026 models, including a digital dashboard with real-time tracking, speed monitoring, and battery status updates. The addition of a mobile app allows drivers to locate nearby charging stations, track earnings, and even receive maintenance alerts. These tech-savvy enhancements not only improve the user experience but also help drivers optimize their operations for maximum efficiency. The inclusion of GPS navigation ensures safer and more convenient rides for both drivers and passengers. In terms of comfort and safety, Thukral has made significant strides. The 2026 model features a spacious cabin with ergonomic seating, providing a smoother ride even on rough terrains. The improved suspension system reduces vibrations, ensuring passenger comfort during longer journeys. Safety upgrades include better braking systems, LED headlights for night visibility, and reinforced body structure for added durability. These improvements make Thukral Electric E-Rickshaw one of the safest and most comfortable options in its segment. The company has also expanded its service network across India, ensuring easy access to maintenance and spare parts. With over 500 service centers now operational, customers can enjoy hassle-free after-sales support. Thukral's commitment to customer satisfaction is further evident in its extended warranty offers and affordable ME options, making ownership more accessible than ever. This customer-centric approach has helped the brand build a loyal user base and strengthen its market presence. Government incentives and subsidies for electric vehicles have further boosted the demand for Thukral Electric E-Rickshaw in 2026. With policies favoring green mobility, many drivers are switching from traditional fuel-based rickshaws to this eco-friendly alternative. Thukral has also partnered with various financial institutions to provide low-interest loans, making the transition easier for drivers. These initiatives have played a crucial role in accelerating the adoption of electric rickshaws across the country. Looking ahead, Thukral has announced plans to introduce solar-powered e-rickshaws by the end of 2026. This groundbreaking innovation aims to further reduce dependency on grid electricity and lower operating costs for drivers. The company is also exploring swappable battery technology, which could revolutionize the way e-rickshaws are charged and operated. With these ambitious plans, Thukral is set to redefine the future of urban mobility in India and beyond. The success of Thukral Electric E-Rickshaw in 2026 is a testament to the brand's vision of sustainable and affordable transportation. From cutting-edge technology to unmatched customer support, Thukral continues to set new benchmarks in the electric vehicle industry. As more people embrace green mobility, Thukral is poised to lead the charge, offering reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly solutions for everyday commuting. Stay tuned for more updates as Thukral drives towards a cleaner and greener future.